By the end of this video, you will know how to allocate a payment across multiple bills in Clio Manage. Start from Clio Manage while you are already signed in. From the left navigation menu, click Billing to open the billing area where your bills and payment options are organized. Once you are on the billing page, open the Bills tab. Here, locate the client whose outstanding bills you want to pay. Take a moment to confirm that you have the correct client before moving forward, especially if there are multiple unpaid bills showing on the page. After you find a client, select the outstanding bills you want to include in this payment. You are choosing the bills that will receive portions of the same payment, so make sure only the relevant items are selected. With those bills selected, click Record Payment. The payment window will open. If prompted, select the client, then choose the account where the payment was received. This part matters because the payment needs to be connected to the correct source before it is applied to the bills. Next, enter the total payment amount and the payment date. You can also complete any other available payment details shown in this window. The exact fields may vary, but the goal here is to make sure the payment record is complete before you move into allocation. Now move to the bill allocation section. This area shows the client's outstanding bills, so you can decide how much of the total payment should be applied to each one. Review the list carefully, then enter the portion of the payment you want to assign to each bill. Continue allocating the payment across the selected bills until the full payment amount has been distributed. Watch the amounts as you go so the total allocated matches the payment amount you entered earlier. If part of the payment is placed on the wrong bill, adjust the entered amounts before saving. Once the full amount has been allocated, review the distribution one more time. Confirm that each bill has the correct payment amount applied and that the total reflects exactly how the client's payment should be split. When everything looks correct, click Record Payment to save it and apply the payment across the selected bills. Clio Manage will then update those bills based on the amounts you entered. After that, return to the bills page and check the outstanding balances. This final review confirms that the payment was applied as expected and that the remaining balances, if any, now reflect the updated amounts for each bill. Thanks for watching. The payment is now recorded and allocated across the selected bills in Clio Manage.